This is John. I'm over at Hebron. I'm going to try to walk this cemetery. Might be the only time you see these people at graves for who knows how long. I'm not walking in here, just street clothes. I got these like chaps on that protect my legs. I'm getting cut up. These briars will cut you up. So just don't come over here think you're gonna be walking easy through here, because it's rough. I probably shouldn't be in here at my age, but you know, some things you just got to do. I've asked everybody I know could help over here. I've asked, I don't know, different groups. I've asked the churches and veterans groups, and maybe the kids from the school. I contacted the school district, politicians. Mayor and his brothers came over here 2024, and they helped out. It was only about 4 of us over here, and 2 young men with these riding lawnmowers. They cleared off most of this. And me and another fella, he was in his 60s. They cut down he cut down the trees with a chainsaw. I drug him out. Thought he was gonna kill me. I think next time I'll do the chainsaw. There is a next time. I've gone over the history here. It's, I don't know, 80, maybe 180, I don't know. But it's an all-black cemetery, and it belonged to a church, but the church got too small and not enough members to come over here and do the upkeep, so they got the city to annex this property, and thought the city would help out. And here was a few volunteer efforts. 2008, a few years after, but that all went away. Last cleanup I know of, it was a part of, was 2023. I'm heading back to it's the saddest part of any cemetery. I guess you could call it the children's section. There's kids in here. It's rough to get to, but it's back over in that way. And you know, it's spring, late spring and summer approaches. All of this is going to get worse. I don't know how it's going to come out. All I know is I'm supposed to be here doing what I'm doing. And the Lord gave me this my calling, just doing this. Maybe some of you got a calling, but this is mine. Like I say, the kids are back over in there. There's probably 100 more graves back in these woods. I came over here, there was evidence of a homeless camp. And it might still be in here. I don't know. That's some of their stuff. This is the kids part of the cemetery. I can't even get back in there anymore. It's just too far gone. Anyway, this was an old road bed. This, and up that way there's actually, if you clean it up, there's a road here, and you get like a bobcat in here or something and scrape this. Road leading here down to the road, scrape this off, people could drive around the cemetery and help wherever they could. But it's frustrating. Nobody is listening, but in God's time, somebody will. Somebody will listen. People will show up. They'll come in here and clean this up. I don't know if I'll live to see it, but it'll happen. Somebody's come in here and dumped a load of shingles. I'm on the back side of the cemetery now, heading towards what still are storage buildings. There are World War II veterans over there. World War I guys are in here. One lady from Korea, she's in there toward the front part of this cemetery. It's about like what it was, and how it was when I found it in 2023. Stuff really grows fast. You can barely see some of the tops of the stones. Looking good. It was cleared off to a level ground, bare ground. Somebody came over here and dumped a load of bricks, other trash over here. Contractors come in here, didn't no cameras or nothing, and the litter laws aren't being enforced. Thing about it is, I was over here yesterday, lo and behold, somebody had gone down in there and cleaned up, and they even put a sign up that says cameras in use. I don't know if that's for real or it's just something to keep people from doing what they're doing. So maybe while I'm video recording, somebody's video recording me. I hope so. Trying to make it down here. Here's a pretty good walking path. At least there was. Again, the graves, they continue on down in here. And say the estimate is there's probably 100 of them down in there. Too overgrown now, I can't get back in there. But somebody put some looks like flowers here. I'm gonna head back towards the road now. There's an old World War II veteran in here. Found his grave back when we had it cleaned up. Some of these people, their graves. Never see the light of day in this. People start caring. It would take a couple of days to upload this video to YouTube, but that's my intent. I want to share with as many people possible what's going on here. Mr. Buchanan from World War II. He's a private. World War I guys are back up in there. Top of the gravestones. You can barely see them over there in the distance. This tree looks like it's about ready to fall. Nope. Excuse me. If I do fall over in here and die, just throw some dirt on me, I'll be alright. I got my little old seat with me that I use to rest when the trail gets too long. Hold on a second, I want to show you that anyway. It's pretty cool for old folks and people who can't walk that much. I'm gonna set this camera right here for now.